I'm giving Glitter Dots one last chance. Recently, we have been on the ultimate quest to try all the Crayola products. You can follow along the adventures so far in this handy-dandy playlist. So a few weeks ago, we tried the Crayola Glitter Dots for the first time ever, and it went terrible.
It won't even stick to the instructions.
So let's give this a try again, I guess. Now, I swear, you better subscribe and hit that bell, because I do not do this for... You think this is fun for me? Did you see the last video that we did? This is not fun. So make sure you ring the bell and subscribe, because it's its only purpose, okay? This one's keychains, so you can take the disappointment with you wherever you go. Yeah, it looks exactly the same, but it actually encourages you to use your finger with this set. I have no faith whatsoever that this is going to work. The packaging's different. It's all like textured where the glitter is. Feels like when I was a kid and I had a rash. It feels like all scaly and gross.
Oh, I see what you mean. It does feel...
Can you feel? It feels all dry. You know when you get like a dry patch of skin? That's exactly what it feels like. It's horrible. Look at that big old dry cat.
Big old dry cat.
Maybe we should make that. Should we make the cat that has eczema today? One thing to note, guys, and I'm gonna show you. This is sealed new, and in the previous video, some of you guys were saying,
"Oh, maybe the glitter dots dried out,"
because they were really bad. So what I want to do is make an emphasis on the glitter dots themselves before we use them, that they're all like sealed shut.
Also, this is a good point to put up a ton of reviews of other people who've also had the same experience as us.
There's one photo of like a kid's hands that are going to have like glitter embedded in their hands for the rest of their life. It's terrible. There will be a couple of different things in this one, because again, we're making keychains.
Ooh, interesting.
First things first, the glitter dots. They are taped and sealed completely.
Yeah, literally like medicine packaging.
They've never been used. So if they are dry, it's got to be the product itself. I always want to give them the best possible chance. And I do. And they still let me down. They've thought ahead on this one. Check this out. Do you know how they've done it so it won't fail? You can seal it shut, look.
That's genius.
Crayola actually thinking ahead. This should work. There's no reason in theory why this shouldn't work. We also though have Ice Cream Dog.
Oh, that's cute.
That's a well cute one, isn't it? And we do have a third one. I don't know what that is. I think that's like a monkey or something.
I think it's a sloth on a pizza.
Oh, okay, sorry. You can only go ahead and accessorize your keychain.
Oh, wow.
And it comes with like all your different chain. Nasty bit of string.
A nasty bit of string.
Another dot spatula. And little caps for your string as well. Crayola love to lie. Especially in their instructions and packaging. So I want to have a quick look at the instructions. They've lied again.
They've lied already, dude. You've only been looking at it for like 2 seconds.
Honey, please. These are like compulsive liars. Look, take a look at good old Eczema Cat.
Okay.
That is a texture used of glitter. That's not glitter inside it.
You're telling me that they didn't use the spatula to squash
that?
Yes,
so they've lied again. So if you're expecting this, reduce your expectations, because it's not going to look like that.
The keychains are a lot bigger than what I would have expected.
Yeah, that's gigantic.
Because look, it's the size of like my whole hand.
Someone tries to mug you for your keys, at least you've got a weapon.
So this is the chosen key ring.
Eczema Cat, welcome to the operating table. Again, I just want to quickly reiterate, let me move that out of the way. This is the back of the glitter dots, and they are, from top to bottom, it's completely sealed. It's never been opened, never been used.
And this is like a completely new purchase Crayola glitter dots, so we're giving them a complete second chance.
Yeah, look, because again, I have to emphasise, I don't like Crayola because they tell lies. But you can laugh, but they do. I want to give them a good chance, because I want to like things, but they keep giving me so many excuses not to like them. Now, the packaging, we did see, emphasised in this set to use your fingers.
I want to know, does it still feel as dry as the other ones?
I think the sun is wetter than this. This is so dry. Hi art friends, welcome to the Floor of Reflection. Did you guys know that our channel is funded through Patreon, and that's the reason why we're able to still make videos to this very day. So if you want to see more videos, subscribe for one, duh. And also consider supporting us on Patreon so we can bring you even more snazzy videos. It's not looking good, but I'm a lot more confident about this, and I'll tell you why, because you can seal it up.
Because you can, like, lock it
Because
away.
you literally lock it away. I tell you what, all of these sets should be bloody locked away. No! What?
You've got that in the wrong colour.
It's in its chest cavity. Get out. I hope you don't mind me using, like, no!
You starting to look like that kid.
I'm upset, guys. Last time we did the Glitter Dots video, I had to spend the next 2 weeks vacuuming glitter out of my carpet.
Yeah, it says that it's mess-free fun, but we have certainly found...
I tell you what, it ain't stress-free fun. I have to admit, the texture and everything feels exactly the same as the other set. But then again, why would it feel different? Because it's the same sort of, like, series, isn't it?
Well, we were living in hope that maybe because the previous one that we'd bought was from Amazon Returns.
Yeah, that's
Some people
true.
saying, like, maybe it had been sat there for, like, 12 million years or something and it dried out.
I aged 12 million years. In the previous Glitter Dots,
Uh-huh.
the purple was the driest one. And I don't know why, but this was the driest one.
Oh, that does look dry.
It's a bit flaky in it. But we're doing eczema cat, so that's alright. Shout out to you guys if you do have skin conditions. I had eczema as a kid. I was a very rashy child.
Yeah, Adam was the typical rash child in his class.
You know, the one that was kind of red, kind of flaky, smelled like ointment. Well, I have to admit, because this is such a deep sort of like stencil sort of shape, you can fill it out really well.
He's already got another ball out.
Balls out for eczema cat.
I can see a few stray colours going in your different glitter dots.
Yeah, well, God didn't make us perfect, dear. If we lived in a perfect world, glitter dots wouldn't exist. The stuff that this Crayola playlist, check it out by the way, has put me through, it's like, it's not fair. No! Just... Yes. That's what we do here at Doodle Date, we just cover up our mistakes.
It's the whole artistic process. Screw up, try and pretend you didn't. Screw up some more.
There we go. That Bob Ross used to say, there are no mistakes, only happy accidents. Here at Doodle Date, we say, if you screw up, just try and cover it up.
There are only mistakes.
Oh God, where did that come from? Oh my God, it's spreading. It's supposed to stick to the keychain, not me. Balls to the walls, honey. This is definitely doing better than the one with just the stencils.
Trying to make it stick to the paper.
Yeah, it was terrible. I want to use every single colour, so I'm
Oh my
busting
God,
out
you've
some-
already used like half the pack of like glitter dots.
Oh, this one feels completely different.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, what colour is that?
Like an orange?
Yeah, the orange one. I might even go as far as to say, feels moist.
Let me get a close up of that.
It does, it feels wet.
That's so strange that like different ones have different consistencies.
Guys, if you've used this set before, please share your experience, because some of you guys used the one from the other week, and it was fascinating hearing your guys' experience, but were any of these more, I don't know how to describe it, moist than the others? It's got a bit of glitter in his cavity that I don't want it in.
Oh no, not in the back cavity.
Oh God, you don't want glitter getting in your back cavity. Oh, this one. See, this one's not sticky at all. It's coming straight out. That orange was incredible. Honey, when you have a go, use the orange. Just colour everything in orange. You'll have a great time. No! I'm going to put this on, and then we're going to flip it over and see how it looks.
I think you've put a huge orange piece on his face.
That's all right.
That's alright. Can you see that there's orange out of place?
Yeah, it looks like he's got spaghetti sauce on his face, yes. But this is the rough side. This is the side that doesn't matter. It's the other side.
It's a keychain. You're going to see both sides.
Not on my side. I'm going to show you the good side. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, here we go, honey.
Okay.
Oh! Look at... Oh, shut up. Look at that thing! See, it's like, me when I first wake up. Me when I've got my mask on. I can't complain with that side. I mean, yeah, the glitter dots themselves are terrible. Look at that's awful. But from my personal opinion, this set for me is already way better. I want to see like what you do with it though.
I don't think you can get much worse than that other glitter dot set that we
So
used.
bad. But at least like in this one, this glitter dot set, I think it looks better and you actually get something that you can like use. In the previous video, we did do the California earthquake test, and I feel like it wouldn't be fair if we didn't subject this to the California earthquake
Oh, I
test.
reckon he can take it.
You ready?
Okay.
Look at, it's not going, look at that, it's not going anywhere. So far, I mean, I'm not going to give it a result yet until Steph has a go. But this is already a much better set for me.
So I guess it's my turn to have a go at this. We've got a sloth with a pizza, and we've got a dog with ice cream.
I wish the pizza was on the dog. That'd be perfect.
I have disabilities, and I don't have much like grip strength or many things. So this is always a good test to see how like your average like 2-year-old will handle the sets.
Have you split it apart? Oh yeah, you have managed to split it apart.
I've managed to split it apart.
Well done. Okay, that's great. Oh, a pink dog. Okay.
How am I gonna get this all over in this intricate
You have to like,
shape?
yeah, see? Look at you. See, she was sassing me before. Yeah, it's not so easy now, is it?
It's funny when I'm spectating.
Oh yeah, it's funny watching me do it. Yeah, that's it. You kind of have to spread it around.
I've got quite like small pokey fingers, but anyone who's got like big hands will...
If you got big manly hands like me, you might have a hard time.
If you have sausage fingers, you might give you a hard time.
Sausage fingers! I suppose that is one negative if you really wanted to be like choosy about it, is that I don't think there is enough glitter dots to do all three.
Yeah,
you kind
I
of
don't
need...
think there would.
Oh, that's looking cute. I am genuinely impressed with that. That looks great.
While trying to peel the glitter dot, I've accidentally sort of torn it like in half, and now it feels quite sharp, and I'm genuinely concerned that I might cut myself.
You're gonna cut yourself on the foil.
On the foil.
I do have to admit as well, the designs, like the artwork of the design, is quite cute.
I feel like that's something that's helped this kit like a million times, is that because it's got cute little animals with faces and stuff, it immediately gives you like more empathy for what you created.
Yeah, I instantly feel more sorry for these animals.
Oh, that one feels a bit wetter than
Yeah,
these
it's like
other ones.
it's like a moist lottery.
It really is.
Some feel like they might have actually been licked at some point in the factory.
Yeah, it's such a shock when you get one that actually feels kind of like damp.
It feels wrong, but that's what they're supposed to feel like.
Oh yeah, this one feels like really moist.
It feels like you can actually like mold it into place, right? Orange is the best colour. And none of it stuck to Steph's fingers either.
Oh no, I've got a stray green in here.
Oh no, poor you.
Oh no, I think I got it out and then I put another one in. It's very nice to watch someone else do it and criticise them, but as soon as it's my turn...
Oh, it's the best watching someone struggle and criticise them, isn't it? Oh yeah, speaking of, in the previous one, we got quite a few comments saying we were supposed to let the thing set for an hour. It's like, no one got time for that.
Oh my gosh, if we let it set for an hour with the previous one, it couldn't have got any drier than it already was.
What is going on with this hair?
I think it's meant to be like a dollop of cream, but listen, they haven't given me any colours that actually match that.
It's been out in the sun for a while, if that's a dollop of cream. Let's be honest here. I think Steph's is more intricate than mine. Like, the smallest shapes were the ears and the feet. Whereas Steph's got this little strawberry, the little muzzle.
With the little seeds and stuff in.
It's looking good. I'm very proud of you. Can I just say it's a refreshing surprise that we're using a Crayola set that actually seems to be going as intended. This is actually nice.
And we can lock it away when it's done.
Oh yeah. Never to be seen again.
I wonder what it is about like the dots that means that they're so like inconsistent, because some colours end up being more moist than others.
Oh, I know what that is, son. That's called cost cutting. It's something that Crayola's like an expert in. This is where you find out that Steph has that autism that's perfectionism.
Yeah, Adam doesn't have that type.
If something's like, if it's not where it's supposed to be, this one gets very upset. It's been like 20 minutes. What are you doing?
It's upsetting me so much because the more I try and take out like a certain colour, the more I end up like accidentally pushing a different colour like into it.
It looks fun. It's better than my one. I mean, come on.
12 seconds later.
Oh no, there's still colours out of place on this side.
Oh no! Oh, that is cute. I'm so much more impressed with this set.
It couldn't get much worse than the stencil stickers.
Oh, you're starting to sound like me now.
Didn't we have something like this for the horse that we decorated? The Crayola horse.
Oh yeah, she's up there. Black Diamond. We really made the best out of that because that was like discount My Little Pony, and it actually turned out pretty good. I quite like that one. Look at these matte black shoes. Oh my god! Oh, she's whacking a knot in.
Oh, am I meant to...
Yeah, I think you're meant to cap it off, and then you have to cap it off with the other piece of plastic. There's two, and it kind of like screws together.
It feels almost more like a bracelet kind of closure.
God, do you think they did glitter dots bracelets?
I wouldn't be surprised if they did.
I hope they didn't.
I think they've done want some kind of glitter dots like hair accessories, but I think that's...
Oh, can you imagine all of this in your hair?
You never know, I might be able to import as some like American glitter
No!
dots.
Why would you do that? Don't you have to screw it? I think it's threaded. Don't you have to screw it? Oh, she's using all of her strength. Be careful. Her knuckles are turning white. Oh la la, how vogue.
See, I can wear this.
You turned it into a bracelet. If I make one, we could turn them into earrings.
I feel like it would make more sense as a necklace.
It's very,
It's huge.
Yeah, for a keychain, I mean, it's very, well, you'd never lose your keys, would you?
Especially as someone who has like a ton of girl pockets, which are like this big and you can put like nothing
Oh yeah,
in
you
them.
can carry like a single stamp in your girl pockets.
Yeah, I don't think girly pockets are going to be able to handle one of these.
Oh my god, it turned out that this set's perfect because I put 3 stars on it, and that's what I actually rank this set. 3 stars! Isn't that all? That actually came out really good. This might be one of the best Crayola sets that we have reviewed thus far. If you want to see more Crayola products that
Oh boy, we've got a ton of them.
that are a lot worse, check out the playlist on screen, and do not forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so we can see you next time for another Doodle Date.
Doodle date.